of subsequent storms to damage agricultural lands, a little knowledge in urban farming would be a big help. Rosalie Claus will tell us why.
Bukod sa tinuruan sila magtanim, isa yung mga ways para makapag-harvest sila during the rainy season. Kasi may mga varieties naman talaga na tolerant, not necessarily resistant during or pwedeng tanim during the rainy season, but with combination ng cultural practices, nutrition management, is pwedeng maka-harvest.
75 students from various parts of Luzon formally completed their free urban farming studies. In a farm school, they were taught how to fix farms and soil and how to properly create canals to ensure the growth of vegetables.
Itong farm school natin, ito ay talagang tinayo natin para turuan yung mga taga-NCR, National Capital Region, at saka mga taga-Region 4A, Southern Luzon, nang sa ganon ay ma-improve ang agriculture sa mga lugar na ito.
In 3 months, the students have learned the entire cycle of planting from seeding to harvest, even during rainy season.
As in talagang very productive po yung talagang natutunan namin, at usually nga po sa bahay po namin kahit po sa mga 1.5 o kaya po sa mga pasumaliliit, kahit sa mga lata 1.5 po, pwede po ihang niyo po yun, pwede po yan.
With proper knowledge and quality seeds, their efforts resulted in better produce of bottle gourds, ampalaya, cucumber, sponge gourds, and variety of corn. For those who want to learn more about farming, the school is open to the public from February until October. Rosalie Claus, UNTV News and Rescue.